Hey, what's up, everybody? Kettering Gaming Guy. Been a minute since I've been on. Had some things come up. Gonna be making a game video tonight, but we have to clean the game first because it will not read in my 64. So I got that. One of the best wrestling games for the N64. WCW vs. NWO World Tour. It's even got the nifty MC Vans video games from Fort Wayne. Is it open? I don't know. So we're going to bust it open, and I'm going to teach you how to clean these and get them going. Okay, so Nintendo's very bougie. They have these little special screws inside. They're not standard screws, and they're not hexy screws. They're Nintendo screws. Well, they have, I can't even focus on it. These screws are extremely strange shaped, so you have to, I got these off eBay, and came with those and a special wingtip screwdriver, which is I have not found in a kit, so it had to come that way. So we're going to take these two screws out. Okay, so it's the smaller of the kit. I can't work. My hands do not want to work. Alright, so you want to take these little screws, set them to the side so you don't lose them. Take that. And these things are tiny, and they are very easy to lose. Now, once you get those out, you got these little dovetails here where you kind of gotta pop it in, pop it out. And then you have two little screws inside, right there and right there. And I have to see, I do not have a Phillips head handy right now. I have to go get one. Alright, there we go. So we're going to take these two out. And that will take this heat shield off right there. So we got those two. So we'll set that to the side. And then we can pop that bad boy out like that. As you can see, whoop, hello. Forgot about that little fella. It is dirty. You can see the discoloration. So we will clean that and get that set back up. Okay, so to do this, you need your 91% isopropyl alcohol. You need your Q-tips. You need your 1500 grit wet sandpaper. And the chunky pink eraser. Okay, so we're going to dip the Q-tip in rubbing alcohol, like so. And then I'm going to take my little wet sandpaper and get a dab of it up on there. And then I'm ever so gently just going to rub that across just the contacts. Stay off the green board because you don't want to bust any of your leads. And it will happen, and then you will have a dead game. And then we're going to take that Q-tip, we're going to go back over it again, and we're going to get all that residue and get that off my air hockey table too. My workbench. Alright, look. Yeah. So we're going to take a clean Q-tip. You're going to go through a lot of Q-tips if you got a lot of games. Just a heads up. So we're going to take that, and then we're going to go back over that residue one more time. You see it's still a little bit. And then I'm going to take my little chunky green eraser, and I'm going to polish those pins. And then I'm going to use the other side of that same Q-tip, and I'm gonna just buff it out one more time. Get all the other residue off. And then run another one over it to dry it all the way off on that side. Look at that thing. Wow. Shiny and new. That's what your entire video game is. Those two chips, a couple capacitors, and that strip. So then we're going to flip it over. Grab a couple more Q-tips. And we're going to do this side. So we'll get a little bit there, like that. A little rubbing alcohol. Oop. On that. And then we're going to go over that side. Just like that. We ain't gonna need that anymore, so we'll take this Q-tip here, get the crap off of it. God, that one was dirty. Yeah, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work at all. Alright. So then we're gonna take that little chunky pink eraser, and we are gonna buff them pins with that. Dip your Q-tip, buff it out. Just like that. And then another just to dry it out. Looks good to me. Alright, so it's cleaned off. It's nice and shiny. Capacitors look good. Chips look good. And that's the other side. You can see the tarnish came off. Everything looks, the leads, everything looks good back here. So we will put it back together. Alright, I got it all put back together again. I'm not going to put this in my console just yet. I'm going to get all that crap off the outside of it because it looks like it's been in a hole in the backyard. So we'll clean the outside, and I'm leaving that on there. I don't know why. Gives it a little bit of character. So we'll just clean the outside and then we'll test it out. And another thing too, if you're going to do your games, I actually got gifted this by my older brother. Like, it literally has Torx bits, like micro precision bits. This thing is definitely handy. Alright, so one good thing that every good cleaner needs is a good toothbrush. Now, the whole goal is to don't hit the label. Like, I do my best to just, it does happen. But I don't like getting on the label. We're going to get that. And then we're going to dab the label. Let's see. And I'm going to take that. And microfiber cloth for the win. Get inside those little creases right there. Ooh, this one's funky. Even like the little crevices. Jeez. Guess that's just kind of ingrained in, but I mean, it looks a million times better already, so then we'll just do the other side. Like I said, 91% rubbing alcohol is one thing I swear by. I've used the lower grade rubbing alcohol, and it just doesn't hold up as well. Dab the label. cables in bad shape. Got little pieces missing out of it, but still, I'll take it and rub the top, and then we'll go over the back. But I mean, see? Night and day difference. Some of that stuff's just in there. So for the back, there's not a lot of stuff in the little groove, so we'll just take my microfiber cloth and you just give it a good little wiping just to get the crap off of it. Yeah, see? Like I said, it's definitely shows its age. But all in all, I wonder if that'll come off. Let's see. That. Good polish in here. Just wipe it all down. Yeah. Looks good to me. Let's go see if it works now. All right. Moment of truth. And she goes. Power on. And it fired right up. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is gonna be good. I can't wait to do this. Play this game with the kids. Lex, Sting, Giant, Steiner, Malenko, Ultimo. Woo! Steiner, Guerrero, Mysterio, Benoit, even Regal. I mean, look at those graphics. I mean, look. It's very, cracks me up, dude. The heyday of gaming. We don't have that anymore. Now shit looks like me. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helps somebody out. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'll answer what I can for you. And you guys have a good night. And I want to do another video later with my youngest son. And then when the kids come back, all of them, then we will do a GoldenEye video. I can't wait for that. That's going to be fun. I'm going to tear them up. Anyway, Kettering Gamer Guy out. See you next time.